Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm not feeling too hot. Took a break from doing orders today. Well, that's kind of a lie. I just didn't put out any new orders. I did print some flags, and I also double printed them because they have to be foiled. So this was last week's, which you guys saw the plan with me on. Again, I'm trying to make sure that I at least get up one plan with me a week, because I feel like I kind of let the ball drop between my regular job and everything. So this is where we're at. All the foiled goodness. We got some Simply Gilded here. I mean, it matched perfectly with the kit. This was just so amazing. And then this was the week before that the like candy bows were just amazing. Like literally, I'm not even in frame. Like, look how amazing these are. Like all of these. So I'm excited. So we are going to be filming this week, and I have been saving this kit. This is probably my favorite kit Nicole has ever done. Like, ever. So this is her March mystery. So I know it says spring is in the air and we're like dead of summer, but like, how amazing is this kit? And I got the mini kit. I just love it so much. And then there are these extras, and she sent me like all of her like PR people colors, because I think each of her PR people have like a separate color. And then I have these guys as well. But I am just so excited to use this. I feel like I've been kind of putting it off because I didn't want to like use it, but I did at the same time. Now I gotta decide how I want the flowers. I think I want the flowers in the middle. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this kit. I mean, you can use it in the summer. Just because something says spring doesn't mean you have to use it in the spring. I feel like I'm justifying why I was hoarding this kit for so long. There's no justification. It just happened. And then take the full boxes. And her mini kits are set up really well, pretty much how I like to plan with my mini kits, because for some reason, I don't know what it is, I have to have a full sidebar in my mini kits. And if you notice in my kits as well, that there is a full sidebar. It's just, I don't know, I'm weird, okay? And I have this washi, which is from the Tropical collection, although that might be a little dark. Although, I think this has more blue in it. I'm trying to decide if I should maybe bring in this blue. Yeah, that's a much better match, I think. Yeah, because they're like in between. And since there's so much here, yeah, let's bring in this. And last time, even though this is a blue foil, hollow foil, holla. I just think this is so pretty. Oh, I don't even have my card. Oh yeah, I do. I know, so one of my last one is like, girl, you need to get the cutter, the slicer, I think is what they call it. I have an X-Acto knife, and I think I know where it is on my desk. Maybe, yeah, I see it, but you know, that's so far away. So this week may be a little empty, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's really overexposed. There we go, is that better? Can you see more at your life now? And these are a little bit bigger than mine, so I hope I can plan accordingly. Yeah, I'll just be cutting off the dinners for the bottom half because, you know, if you've been here with me enough, you know I cannot, for the life of me, like if I didn't have that, that'd be the perfect sidebar, but I prefer to have some foil. Okay, I'm not mad at it. And then I'm gonna cut off Saturday and Sunday. So all the PBC orders, well, most of them need to be out by Friday, which is the 22nd. And I was trying so hard to get them out before like even close to the end processing time. Unfortunately, we are here and I still have like 13 orders I have to get out before the 22nd. And essentially it's all the, these guys, if you ordered this is the last thing that I have been able to prep. That essentially once those are done, I should, because I did the double printing and I just sorted them out between silver and gold. So I'm hoping that I can get those done at least foiled tomorrow. Oh, that's way off. Why was that so off? It's in line. Maybe I'm just not that skilled. There we go, much better. Words. That I can get those done tomorrow and cut. I know I would love to at least get them, so today is here, so I double printed them. Again, I'm not feeling well. I think I'm gonna work remote tomorrow. So, I mean, not that my commute is long, but like as soon as I'm done work, I can essentially, hopefully foil some of those guys. So I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit. I always plan like this. I write like that too. So I'm sorry if I like turn, you know. So I was off today because I feel terrible. Let's just put it out there. Oh, I don't like how crooked that one was. I wanted to be cute and be like a little crooked, but like purposefully crooked, not like, girl, you don't know how to put a sticker down. Okay. I think we're gonna go see Jurassic World on Saturday morning. Cause we like to do it grandma style. So let's do this. No. Do I have a day off sticker? I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from, what was her name? I always want to say Chic Street Boutique. Chic Street Boutique, I think is her name. I think that's her username, or her shop. I feel like an idiot because, you know, you would think you would know where you order from. Yeah, you would. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one is not gonna have foil. And I feel like Monday, since Monday was crappy, we're just not gonna have foil today. Although maybe I should have done foil today. I'm going to put one of these down for the little work I did today. Again, I don't feel very good. I can feel it in my throat. It's just killing me. And here I am talking. Logical, Vanessa. Logical. I had Amazon come today. Actually, is there washi? There is washi. I want to use a big washi, but not like huge. Let me think about this. Let me put this stuff down. I may end up putting the washi at the very bottom. So Amazon came today, which I was shocked because I ordered my cello bags. Yeah, because your girl forgot that she would use so many. I went to the grocery store. I know it's on here, I see it, yes. Grocery store. And then I watched TV, literally, that's what I did. Are there TV icons? There's computer icons. Is there a TV? No, it's okay. I'm going to do this. And I'm gonna grab a smaller piece of washi. See, this is why I wanted to, that's not even the washi sheet, hello. Ooh, I'm gonna do a floral one. This is a really pretty floral. This one right here. Is that in a box? Okay, it is. I was gonna say, that's a really pretty one. I'll just slide this down here. So since this day like actually happened, I can fill it out. Well, I could have done some washi in there. I always forget. Since it probably would have been super pretty because I can't talk and put washi down apparently. Because we are doing nothing. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like ready for PVC stuff to be over only because I hate not having like it partly ready to ship. I know that's like the weirdest thing, but when like when I have my shop, like normally I'm ready to ship. Well, I should say semi-ready to ship, not fully ready to ship. And it's stressing me out because I feel so out of control. I know that's like a weird thing to probably say. You're like, girl, get it together. It's fine. Like your life is not over. You're right, my life is not over. But we can stress out, okay? I kind of want, should I do this? I'll just do this one up here. Oh, I love this. Like, look how pretty this kit is. This gives me all the feels. And Wednesdays kind of usually suck. So I'm gonna use like the prettiest one on Wednesday. Oh, I'm stuck on that. I guess I'll put some down then since you're already open. I legit can't see. Like I'm trying to line these bows up, but I know they're gonna get cut off. I feel like I shouldn't have decided to do a plan with me. I feel like I should have gone to bed. But we're here. And I have a whole bunch of nail, like nail stuff that I filmed because I have that practice hand and I filmed it like a while ago. And I just need to get it up. And I have like a huge haul that I got from, yeah. I have a lot of stuff. I'm gonna flip this out for a second and give you guys, you know. There we go. Is there a weekend banner? Oh, there's no weekend banner. Not that I really need a weekend banner, let's be real here. So, I may, oh there is, oh thank God. Like I know there's gonna be one because, oh this is so pretty. I love this weekend banner. Look how pretty that is, that's so unique. She does such a good job on her kits. I love that she doesn't use all the super popular clip art, you know, like how I find myself like not using it, like she does the same thing and I love that. Good enough. I feel a cough, it's coming. Maybe Friday should be pretty too. Like, cause that's like another really pretty one. Like that may be my favorite. I don't know. I like them all. Can you tell? Oh my gosh, this kit is giving me all the feels. Oh, I saved the two of the same boxes for like, whoops. I don't think we have anything Saturday night, really. And I'm gonna put this one up here. And then I'm going to actually move this box because I don't need that anymore. To be honest, I don't really need that anymore. I never use them. I'm always like, oh, I'm gonna save them, and if I need them like last minute, I can put like an icon on it. No, I never need it. So I think I'm gonna call it, because it's not like I can have new releases here. I think I am gonna be opening a, oh man. I'm supposed to work out here, but I don't know if I'm going to. I'll put it down. Just because I don't feel good. Like, I took Advil and my throat is like killing me. But yeah, I have a lot of Happy Mail coming. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff on Amazon. I'm gonna put this down. No, too far. Because I like, don't mind working out in capris or like long, but I wanted like shorts, but I don't like the normal like shorts. Like I want like some firmness in there. So I, oh my God, she gives you more, oh gosh. She has like the perfect mini kits. I just need to get them like auto delivered. Okay, shiny object syndrome. I think I'm gonna call it, because I mean, I can forcefully put things in that I think are gonna happen, but I don't really know. Yeah, I'm not gonna force it. So this is where we are at, and I love this so much. I'm not flat, there we go. Look how pretty this kit is. And I actually really like the Simply Gilded bows with that. And I may put like another one down here, like the smaller one, because I think this is perfect. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, go ahead and check out Nicole Alexia Designs. She is on Shopify and Etsy, but Shopify, let's be real here, Shopify, because you know, if you watched my Etsy video. But anyway, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.